There's no other person who can make a life for you. You all know it. I know it seems like everything will be alright once you turn 18, everything will be alright once you move out of the house, everything will be alright if you do this and that and that. It doesn't happen. It can happen, but it doesn't. I'm 21 and this is very important for you to know that you can change your life. It's very important to know for me as well that I can change my own life. I have had people telling me to do this and that in order to become this and that. Follow the basic rules and you'll achieve whatever you want. But I didn't want to follow that. Even my friends didn't want me to follow a path which is risky. If I had listened to other people, I wouldn't have a YouTube channel. I wouldn't be posting, I wouldn't be doing anything that I'm doing today, this day. I've taken the road less traveled. Well, it's not less traveled, it's actually traveled by a lot of people. Everyone can handle the blockages here. I need to motivate myself and you, whoever is watching this video, that you are in total control of your life. You, sir, ma'am, whatever you want to be called, you can make your own life. Everything is working out for you. It really is. If you just look beyond all those obstacles. I am handed a middle class family and with lots of people who I don't even talk to. Now, I can either cry about that, I can do something about it. So what is it gonna be? I think we all know that I'm going to do something about it. We all are given different circumstances, different places. We all are handed different situations. But we are also given a choice that we can make our own life. Once you realize that you are in total control of your life, nobody else can take it away from you. Nobody. I want a great life for myself. I want everything I desire. I want money, friends, family, love, everything. And people will say that having the biggest success and then having a love life or perfect relationships with your family and friends is a very difficult thing to do. But is it? They don't know it. People who are giving you advices haven't even achieved anything yet. So why are we listening to them? There are so many people who just need a little bit of push. Just a little push and they will become their best self. Many people just quit right before they are going to make it through. And I realized that I have been on that point a lot of times, but I just make it through somehow. I can make it through, then of course you can. We all are strong, we all are great. Like, you don't even realize your power until you see it. So until and unless you're put in a situation of fear and guilt, you won't take actions. But why do we want to wait for something to happen to us, then take action? Many days I just sit and think about why do I exist? What if I wasn't born? What if this world wasn't created? What are we even doing here? Maybe it's called the existential crisis. But if it isn't that, I need to do something about this, because every other day I cannot sit and think about why do I exist. I need to have a purpose in life. And ever since I can remember, I wanted to help people and become rich. Now that is something my friends disagree on. They say you cannot become rich and also help people, because you will be spending on people who need help, which is like not a great logic, to be honest, but we'll give them that. They don't know it, they are not rich either. So this is who I am going to be, the main character of my life. I have decided that I'm going to help people no matter what it takes, and I am going to be rich as well and have everything I want and experience everything I desire. I have no idea how it's going to happen, and I just need to start right now. If I don't start right now, I never will. If you don't start right now, you never will. You need that push, then watch some motivating videos, but just start right now. I used to think at 18 years old that, you know what, this is my year, I'll do this and that. I never did. Now I'm going to be 22 years old in December, and I'm still thinking, what if I'm just starting? So what? What if I'm just starting? Why does it matter to anybody else? It should be only important to me, that what I want to do in my life. The people, they have a lot of opinions. Everybody has an opinion. If you are trying to do something great, they are going to stop you. The first thing they will do is stop you, because they think that it's too risky first. Then they are scared of you, of your courage, because you are trying to do something risky. Some people are never going to do those amazing things, and they will stop you as well. Don't let those people handle your life. Don't let those people write your story. You are the main character. You need to be. I know there hasn't been growth on my channel. I know there isn't constant growth, but it is growth. Small wins, big wins are wins. So, whatever it is that you need to do, just go and get it. Because one day you will realize that I should have done this and I should have done that, and if I had done that that year, I would have become this, I would have become that. It's never really going to happen if you keep thinking that it will happen this from there, from there. You just need to keep doing something. You just need to keep moving forward. You just need to keep pushing yourself. Nobody else is gonna do it for you. Nobody really will. So I have decided that I am going to become something that I've always wanted to be, and I had already started that, but things happen, life happens, and I stop in between because I realize that it's too much for me to handle. But really nothing is too much for me to handle. I can handle everything I want, and even you can do that, and you know it. You know your power, right? You deserve the world. We all do. Huge world. Once you realize that you are just a tiny little human being in this big universe, you will know those dreams of yours are not so big. The universe will grant it to you. Huge world. Once you realize that you are just a tiny little human being in this big universe, you will know those dreams of yours are not so big. The universe will grant it to you. You cannot just keep thinking that this is going to happen, this is going to happen. You need to do a little something. You need to do something, get out of your comfort zone and try new things, and you'll get it. You'll be there in no time. So I have decided that I'll be uploading every day, and let's see if I'm going to stick with it. At least for a month I want to upload every day. So yes, that is my goal, and I've now committed to it. So let's see how that's gonna go. And thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you so much for my subscribers, whoever has subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope you know that you are the main character. You always will be. You just need to realize that, and once you do, your life is going to be great. I'll see you all later. Bye.